Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be showing you my cube collection. So starting with 2x2, my first 2x2 is a Moyu Ling Po. It's not that good and I think the screws have rusted, but this used to be my main and I can still kind of speed solve on it. And my next 2x2 is my main, which is the Kung Fu Yuhan 2x2. The caps do pop and it does lock up, but it works as a good 2x2, and since I don't really practice it, then I don't really care. So next up is 3x3. The first 3x3 I have is a dollar store cube. Only one side turns and it's missing a piece. I glued it together so that it wouldn't disassemble. This is why only one side turns. The one side that does turn is okay, and this is the cube that I learned how to solve on. The next cube is a Diangsheng, which I got for my birthday from a good friend. Doesn't turn that well, but it's okay. The next cube I have is a picture cube that turns very well for what it is. I lubed it and tensioned it, so I guess that's why it's so good. The next cube is this non-brand 3x3. This is my first speed cube. Yeah, and it's really buttery. Speaking of buttery, this is the cube that I lubed with butter. I did wash it out. It's a Moyu Weilong version 1, and it's pretty smooth. The next cube is a Dayan Guhang in stickerless. I got this for my on my 11th birthday, and it's pretty cool. It's also my only stickerless 3x3. The next cube is a Chi Thunderclap version 1. This cube is pretty good and it was my main for a while. And I also used it at my second competition, I believe. The next cube is a Yushin Little Magic. It's pretty dry, but it's really good for the price. This is a really good cube for beginners and turns pretty good. The sticker quality just isn't that good. The next 3x3 is a mini Volk. I bought this at a competition for one hand, but I think I like normal size cubes better than this. So yeah, this was my OH main. Next cube is the Cubicle Premium Volk. I don't like to turn this really quickly because two pieces are broken and I just glued them back inside. So yeah, I don't turn this really quickly. This cube is my first magnetic cube. This is the GTS2M, a mass-produced one. And it's way too fast, but I still like it. And the last 3x3 I have is my main. This is the Ganir SM, and it's the best cube I've turned so far. Moving on to 4x4. This is my only 4x4. This is the Chi Wuchui. Not that good, but it works, and I average around 2 minutes, so it's okay for that. Next is my only 5x5. This is some non-brand 5x5 that turns horrible. I haven't solved it yet. I mean, I have. I'm in the middle of solving it, so that's why it's like this. Next up is Square One. This is my only Square One, as you may know. This is I forgot the name, but this is a really good one, and I really like it. Moving on to Pyraminx. This is my Moyu Magnetic Pyraminx. This is my main, and I really like it. It does lock up, and it's not that smooth, but it's good. Next up is my Moyu Pyraminx. that is extremely smooth and I really like it. Sometimes I use this as my main, sometimes that, but I mostly switch to the other one. Moving on to Skewb, this is my only Skewb. This is the Moyu Magnetic one in Stickerless. I unboxed it and it's pretty good. Moving on to Megaminx, this is the ShengShou Pro Megaminx that I have yet to solve. I have solved it, but I haven't finished the solve I was on, so that's why it's unsolved right now. But I do know how to solve it, I'm just horrible at it. And here is my only cuboid. This is the 2x4. I almost solved it, I just need to do this parity. But otherwise it's a pretty fun puzzle and it shapeshifts. So that was it for my cube collection video. I have 21 puzzles in total and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.